A Cybertruck was seen driving with a dead deer hanging in the rear. These kinds of owners set new lows to owning a Cybertruck when we think they couldn't get any lower. The incident was reported in Covington, Atlanta. The deer can be seen hooked onto a rack fitted to the rear of the truck, with both legs tied together, and left the deer hanging on its weight. Crazy that the owner decided to hang the deer and drive it without even trying to cover it on the road. Looks like he is very proud to hang it on the truck. The owner could have just put it in the tonneau and hide it, rather than displaying it in his $100,000 Cybertruck. What do you think about this incident? Let us know in the comments section.